Service in Ruskin has issued a tornado warning for central Hardee County in central Florida, northeastern DeSoto County in south central Florida, until 2:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:49 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 10 miles east of Arcadia, moving northwest at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Wauchula around 2:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Brownville, Gardner, Zolfo Springs, and Sweetwater. Take cover now. If your home is flooded, avoid flood waters. If possible, take shelter in an interior room. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 2:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Florida, DeSoto and Hardee. Producing a tornado was located 10 miles east of Arcadia, moving northwest at 35 miles an hour.
Uncle Rick, I'm recording it.
Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Wauchula around 2:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Brownville, Gardner, Zolfo Springs, and Sweetwater. Take cover now. If your home is flooded, avoid flood waters. If possible, take shelter in an interior room. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 2:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Hardee, Florida.
Sorry.
They say I could save money or get additional benefits that I'm not even aware of.
Still recording it, so.
What I just found out now is the annual enrollment. It's great to know there are